Any guns, weapons in the car, boss?
Excuse me?
Any guns, weapons in the car?
No.
You still staying in Winter Garden? Okay, perfect. Hey, you got any guns, weapons on you, boss? I just asked.
I know.
It's Florida. Everybody got a gun. Right?
Welcome back to the channel UK Cop Hub. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated with daily breakdowns of real police encounters and what the law actually says. Today's scene is straight out of Orlando, Florida, where a traffic stop turns into a calm yet surprising professional interaction. But here's the twist. One small mistake at an intersection leads to an unexpected recognition between officer and driver. Was this stop legally justified, or was it just confusion over traffic lights? Let's break it down.
What's going on, boss? Officer Mariano, Orlando Police. Way back there, when you're leaving that residential area right there on Temple.
I did what now?
You're making a right on Temple, right? That light there is very small, and you made the right-hand turn. Okay, so that's what I'm stopping.
You mean the angled light?
Yes, sir.
It was green.
So, even though at that angle, that's for the other way, and people always get that confused. But it's a small light, right? So, and that's for the opposite direction. Okay, the traffic there's kind of weird, and I understand that. You got your lights on you by any chance, folks? Any guns, weapons in the car, boss?
Excuse me?
Any guns, weapons in the car?
No.
You still staying in Winter Garden? Okay, perfect. Hey, you got any guns, weapons on you, boss? I just asked.
I know.
It's Florida. Everybody got a gun. Right?
Okay, pause right there. This is actually a textbook example of a legally valid stop under reasonable suspicion. The officer observed what he believed was a traffic signal violation, which under Florida Statute 316.075 gives him the right to investigate. But notice the calm tone? No yelling, no intimidation, just questions about weapons, which in Florida is standard under public officer safety protocols. The way he quickly shifts to a relaxed tone shows this cop knows how to de-escalate a routine check. Would you have felt calm in this stop, or would your heart still be pounding?
How you guys doing?
Good.
Moving?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys went through that red light there.
Yeah.
Right. Tampa.
When I saw the green. It was kind of deceptive.
That's a very strange intersection. I've seen multiple people run through that one before. Not a huge deal. Not a pedestrian traffic. Bunch of cars going through there. So, yes, sir, I recognized you. No, I know who you are. As soon as the window rolled down and I could see your face, I know who you were. How you guys doing today?
Good.
Okay. I hope this rain hasn't affected the move.
Downtown.
All right, Mr. Rivers, I appreciate your time. Okay, I'm not really a big traffic guy. I'm more like a guns and drugs and stolen kids kind of guy. You know what I'm saying? And you ain't got none of that in your back truck. Cool. Just for we appreciate your night. We'll go out there, all right?
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now, that's how a professional police stop should look. Quick, respectful, and grounded in clear communication. The officer made his point, confirmed there was no threat, and released the driver with zero escalation. This case highlights Section 316 of Florida law, covering vehicle movement at intersections. But more importantly, it reminds us how tone and respect can completely change a situation. What did you think? Was this officer handling it right, or was this just luck meeting professionalism? If you found this scene as surprising as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to UK Cop Hub for more real law breakdowns and dramatic cop cam reviews every single day. Stay aware, stay smart, and remember, knowledge of the law is power.